Hey, hey, welcome back to English with me, the podcast. If you are new here, this is your space to chill, listen, and pick up English the easy way through real talk, not textbooks. So, grab your coffee, lie back on your couch, or take a walk because today's conversation is all about something we all struggle with being productive. Let's join Emily and Zara as they try to figure out how to stop procrastinating and actually get things done. You will hear natural, everyday English with a few fun phrases thrown in. And I'll jump in here and there to explain them. Let's go. I swear I had a whole to do list for today, and guess what? I did none of it.
Haha, same. I made my list, then spent 2 hours watching random videos. Classic procrastination.
Tell me about it. I even dressed up like I was going to be productive. But nope. Ended up scrolling Instagram like a pro.
Scrolling like a pro? I felt that. I think we confuse being busy with being productive.
Oh, totally. Like I cleaned my desk, made coffee, lit a candle. But did I start my project? Nope. Tell me about it means totally agree with you. And I felt that is used when you deeply relate to what someone said. Alright, back to the chat.
Okay, but real talk. Do you ever have those days where you feel super motivated for like 10 minutes and then it's gone?
Yes, I call that my fake motivation window. I get all excited, open my laptop, and suddenly I'm reorganizing my files from 2017.
Haha, I once color coded my folders instead of writing my article. Priorities, right?
Yep, the brain says let's work, but the body says let's clean that random drawer you never touch.
So, what do we do? I tried setting a timer, but I just end up ignoring it.
Same. Actually, you know what helps me sometimes? Just starting with one small thing. Like literally reply to one email. That's it.
Yeah, because once you do one thing, your brain's like, okay, fine, we are doing this.
Exactly. It's like tricking yourself into momentum. Hey, quick tip here. Momentum means that feeling of moving forward and keeping it going. Once you start, it's easier to keep going. Back to the chat.
You know what else helps? Telling a friend, like, hey, I plan to finish this today. Then I feel like I have to do it.
Oh, yeah, accountability. I have done that with my cousin. She checks on me like a productivity coach.
I need one of those. Maybe we can keep each other in check.
Deal. I'll be your annoying reminder. Did you write your script today? Did you post that reel?
Haha, perfect. We will be productive queens together.
That was fun, right? Real talk, real struggles, and some real phrases you can use in your everyday conversation. Remember phrases like, tell me about it. I felt that. Fake motivation window. Tricking yourself into momentum. Keep me in check. These are in textbook English, but they are what real people say every day. Thanks for hanging out today on English with me, the podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, leave a comment and tell me what's your biggest distraction when you are trying to be productive. Let's talk about it in the next one. Catch you later. And hey, maybe get one small task done today. You have got this.